Welcome to unboxing your product. Your box contains a product, a mounting base, an adhesive mount, 2 screws and plugs, and 1 USB-C cable. On the front of the product, you have access to all user interfaces such as the main LED, main button, per and the location of the NFC antenna. At the back of the product, you will find the user interfaces related to installation and maintenance, secondary LED, secondary button, cable slot. Product can be used freestanding or fixed to the wall. You can install it with screws and plugs, mounting box or adhesive fixing. For installation with screws and plugs, drill into your wall and insert the 2 plugs. Place the mounting base and screw it into the wall using the screws. Plug the product into the base after feeding the product. Screw on the anti-theft screw. For installation with the adhesive mount, peel off the gray film from the adhesive, then stick it to the base by applying pressure for 10 seconds. Peel off the second film from the adhesive, and stick it all to the wall. Insert the product into the base, after feeding the product. Screw on the anti-theft screw. For installation with the flush box, place the box and connect the 2 cables to the transformer. Unplug the plug from the base and connect the cable to the product, passing it through the opening. Connect the cable to the transformer and screw the base to the box. Attach the product to the base after powering it up. Fasten the anti-theft screw. Once powered, the product initializes for about 1 minute, and after 5 seconds a green LED appears. Then, the product automatically attempts to connect to the LoRaWAN network. During the connection phase, the orange LEDs blink for 25 seconds. After this time, it freezes in green if the connection is successful, in red if it fails. In this case, the product resumes an attempt to connect to the network. If the connection is unsuccessful, you can still use the product. The product automatically attempts to reconnect every 20 minutes until successful, without disrupting its use. To change the screen display, short press the main button. You can also use the Nexelec application on your smartphone using NFC. Your product is now ready to use.